question, of course, is whether or not your perception of those police as unlawful intruders into the home was a reasonable perception. It doesn't need to be correct. It just needs to be reasonable. The cops could have a warrant with your address on it. It was mistakenly written down by the court. So as far as the cops are concerned, they're acting lawfully. And you might still be privileged to shoot them if you reasonably perceive them as being unlawful intruders into your home. Of course, it's not your assessment of whether your perception was reasonable that controls your legal fate. It's the perception of other people. So you shoot at these police coming to your home and you say, hey, I reasonably perceive them not as police, but as unlawful intruders. Well, other people are going to make their own evaluations of how reasonable that was. And their evaluation, that of the police, that of the prosecutor, that of the judge, that of the jury, determines whether or not you'll face legal liability for the perception that you had. They'll decide whether they think it was reasonable for you to have that perception. And that's what controls your legal fate.
Learn what you must know to be hard to convict when you defend yourself and your family with my free book now. Link in bio.